Good morning, friends. Today we see in mathematical logic logical connectives. What is meant by logical connectives? Logical connectives means the words or phrases which are used to connect two statements. Words or phrases which are used to connect two statements are called logical connective. For example, लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स के एग्जांपल है और एंड इफ दे इफ एंड ओनली इफ एंड ओनली etc. These are the examples of logical connective. Logical connectives means the words or phrases which are used to connect two statements, that is called as the logical connectives. In logical connectives we use the word or, and, if, then, if and only if. These are the words used in logical connectives. Now simple statements. Simple statement. Simple statement means a statement which cannot be split up further into two or more statements. Which cannot be split up. Which cannot be split Simple statement means a statement which cannot be split further into two or more statements, that is called as a simple statement, which cannot be split into two or more statements. Two or more statements. That is a simple statement. Now compound statement. Compound statement. Compound statement. Compound statement means if a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements. If a statement is the combination of two or more simple statements, it is called compound statement. Combination of two or more simple statement. Two or more simple statements. That is compound statement. For example, compound statement: 3 is a prime. 3 is a prime number. 3 is a prime number. And 4 is an even number. 4 is an even number. 3 is a prime number. This is a one simple statement. And 4 is an even number. This is second simple statement. Combination of two statements, that is compound statement. Combination of two statements, that is compound statement. Now we see truth table. Now truth table for conjunction. Here P statement and second statement is Q. Truth value of P is T, T, F, S. Truth value of P is T, T, F, F. And truth value of Q is T, F, T, F. T, F, T, F. The conjunction P and Q. The conjunction P and Q is said to be true if and only if both P and Q are true. If and only if both P and Q are true, means P and T is T. P and T is T, otherwise F. In conjunction, only T and T is T. Otherwise F. Otherwise F means false. T and T is T, otherwise F. This is the truth table for conjunction. Truth table for conjunction. T and T is T, otherwise F. Here connective is used and. Connective is used and symbol is and. Symbol is and. Truth table for conjunction, T and T is T, otherwise F. T and T is T, otherwise F. Now second, now truth table for disjunction. Truth table for disjunction. In this table, the disjunction P or Q is false if and only if both P and Q are false. If and only if both P and Q are false, means F or F, F or F, F, F or F, F, otherwise T, otherwise T. In disjunction, connective is or and symbol is or. In this junction, F or F is F, otherwise T. F or F is F. Truth table for disjunction, F or F is F, otherwise T. F or F is F, otherwise T. Now truth table for conditional statement. Truth table for conditional statement, or it is also called implication. It is also called implication. In implication table, in conditional statement, T implies F. In conditional statement, T implies F is equal to F, otherwise T. In conditional statement, T implies F is equal to F, otherwise T. Means when truth value of P is true and truth value of Q is false, then P implies Q is false, otherwise it is true. Here in connectives, here we use connective if then, and symbol is arrow. Means T implies F is F. T implies F is F, otherwise T. T, F, T, F, T. Only T implies F is F. Only T implies F is F. Now truth table for biconditional statement. Truth table for biconditional statement, or it is called double implication. Here P statement T, F, Q statement T, F, and P biconditional Q. P biconditional Q. T and F, T and F, otherwise F. Means in biconditional statement, T if and only if T equal to T, and F if and only if F equal to T, otherwise F, and connective if and only if, and symbol is double implication. Now truth table for negation. Truth table for negation. Truth table for negation. P statement and negation P. Here is P, then its negation is A. If A, then T. This is truth table for negation. Connective is not, and symbol negation. Symbol is truth table for negation. Now we see how to express compound statement in symbolic form. How to express compound statement in symbolic form. Here statement is Delhi is in India, but Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. So let P statement. Delhi is in India. Delhi is in India. And Q statement. Dhaka is in Sri Lanka. Dhaka is in Sri Lanka. We have to write this compound statement in symbolic form. How to write this compound statement in symbolic form? But is used as a connective. But is used as a connective. Means but is join two sentences. Delhi is in India and Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Means this is conjunction. Therefore, in symbolic form, we write T means Delhi is in India, but means and Dhaka is not in Sri Lanka. Q statement is Dhaka is in Sri Lanka. Therefore, here we use negation Q. Negation Q. This is our example first. Now see example second. Two triangles have equal area. Two triangles have equal area only if they are similar. 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 So let P statement. Two triangles have equal area. Two triangles have equal area. And our Q statement is they are similar. They are similar. Therefore, in symbolic form, we write only if. This is conditional statement. Therefore, T implies Q. In this way, we can write compound statement in symbolic form. Now third example, -2 is less than -1. -2 is less than -1. If and only if I is a real number. In symbolic form, let P statement -2 is less than -1 and Q statement R is a real number. R is a real number. Therefore, in symbolic form, here we use connectives if and only. We use connectives if and only. Means P if and only Q. P if and only Q. Now, fourth example, a school is open or there is a holiday. So, first P statement, the school is open. The school is open. And Q statement, there is a holiday. There is a holiday. Therefore, in symbolic form, here connective is R, means P or Q. P or Q.